Hello everyone, I hope you are doing so good. This is Mustafa Saadi, a technical consultant, and I have more than 10 years of experience in developing applications and mobile games and web applications. Today we will talk about a common issue in Google Chrome, which is this page. You got uh, this message, this site can't be reached any type of website. This issue is commonly happen when your DNS server of your ISP provider, the internet provider in your country, is blocking this website through the DNS server. So one of the solutions to this issue is about to use the DNS of Google servers. You will manually set this DNS servers to your computer. And how you can do this, we will see this now. So first you need to open the network card options. This can be done by this way. You will hit to this Wi-Fi icon or the LAN icon. Both will work. You will hit the right click on your mouse. Then you will open network and internet settings. Then you will find this screen. You will hit on the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet. Both will work. Now I'm connected to a Wi-Fi connection, so I will hit on the Wi-Fi. Then I will go here on this option. It's called change adapters options. I will hit it. Then this screen will open. I will choose the Wi-Fi card on my machine and I will hit the right click. Then I will click on properties. This screen will open. I will find the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP version 4. This I will double click on it. It will open this screen. Then I will find this option here and I will check this checkbox, which is about the following DNS servers addresses. This option is letting your ISP provider or internet provider in your country to control all the DNS resolvers for all domains you use on the internet. So we will check this option. Then we will type the official DNS servers for Google, which is 8 space 8 space 8 space 8. Then I will tab to go the second line. Then I will type 8 space 8, then 4 space 4. It will be like this: 4 8s 8844. So I will hit on this OK button. Then I will hit OK again and will close this servers. So now if I try to open the website which I wanted to open it, it will open successfully without any problems. It will open without any problems. So I hope your issue is getting solved. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all of our new videos. Till I see you again, please stay safe. Goodbye.